Daddy touch the rabbit. Hello, awesome squad. Today we're going to the zoo with Kasani. You guys know that Kasani loves animals, so we're gonna see how he reacts to them in real life. We'll see if which animal is Kasani's favorite animal. Whatever it is. We're almost there though. Where are we? We're in Spanish Town. So we're going to Hope Zoo. Say hi, Kasani. Say hi. No? Mwah. Mwah. Kasani, it's a bird. It's just a. Yeah. What? Yes, guys, we're at the zoo now. Here's the gang. There's a safari. There's the safari hunter. That's not really though.
That's a real zebra, Cassie. Zebra. Right?
Yes, zebra.
Zebra.
We're at the zoo, Kasani.
I post him someone. I say, oh, zebra. Zebra, everything black. You know?
I'm not. I'm not. That.
What's that, Kasani? Green.
What's that, Cassie?
Look up on the stage.
Cassie, what is that?
Frank, hello.
Kasani.
Yo, them.
Kasani. What is that?
What's that, Kasani? Green.
All right, where are we going?
Yeah, flamingo.
All right. So this is the entrance. This is where we came in. There are lots of statues of different animals. And Kasani knows that he's in the zoo. What did you see, Cassie?
Oh,
are you afraid? Do you want to go up there? Would you like to go look at the hens? Do you want to go? No. Oh, you don't like the chickens.
No, what's the kind of bird?
Oh, the flamingos. What are those, Kasani? What are those? Do you know these birds? Flamingos. Count them, Cassie. 1, 2, 3. Good job. You can't go in there. There are 3 ducks. They're cute. Alright? You can't go in there. Alright? The monkey. Look at the monkey. Look at the monkeys. That way, baby. Monkey. Toy. No, it's not a toy monkey, Kasani. It's like a real monkey. What's that?
Banana.
Banana. What does the monkey eat? The monkey eats? Yeah. Those are the monkeys. Look at him jump. Kasani says the monkey eats banana. 5 little monkeys. 5 little monkeys? I didn't know it was a baby, you know. I had no idea it was a baby. We're at the monkeys, and these little monkeys are called squirrel monkeys. Let me show you them and show you Kasani. Look at Kasani. Don't let him touch it. Don't let him touch it. Alright, look at the monkey. Lift him up, he wants to see. Monkey. Yes, that's a monkey.
You can't touch a monkey. Come.
He was going in the water over there as well. Where the ducks are? Because it's water.
Harry.
Oh, he's looking at the... There he is. Coffee?
Ostrich, the turkey. This is an emu right here. And those are the black ones.
You're scared? He's scared.
Yeah, the boss big in the man. Jesus. What?
Sanjay, he's
What?
scared. Clean hands. There are a lot of pipes all around the zoo. That's a good thing. Flash. Flash them, baby. Flash them. Flash them. Flash them. Alright. What's that, Cassie? Look how Cassie walking fast. I think he spots the camels. Yeah. Stay down there. Go for go. Oh. Go, Cassie. What is that?
Right.
He said it a while ago.
Cassie, what is that? What is that? What's that?
You can't go in there and have a let's count them. 1, 2, 3. See. Don't you wish you could ride one, Cassie? Look at Cassandra. Man, are you enjoying the view? Cassandra, what are those? Cass?
Cassie, what's that?
Lions now, Cassie. That's your favorite animal. Where? I don't see him. Where is the lion? Oh. Do you see her, Cassie?
Take your hand out your mouth, Cassie.
Let's go to the bathroom. Guess who used the bathroom? Yes, he did. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, we had to do it the long way, take off all the clothes. But it's a good thing that the bathroom in here, look at it guys, isn't so bad. So I had to paper the toilet, strip him down, and man did my little boy pee. Let's go wash hands, Bubba.
Come.
Come, wash hands, Cassie.
Come.
Hands. Hands. The reptile house. Alright, let's go look at the snakes. Let's look. It's scary in here. Of course, it's scary. Where? Oh, that's so huge. Cassie, look. Snake. Look. Look at the snake. Cassani, where are you going? So this is us. We're in the reptile house. See? Let's show what's behind us. All right. And then we have the whatever that one is. In here makes my skin crawl. Ew. I don't like it in here. Cassie, do you like it in here? So let's go. There are more around here. Want to go look? Go look. Go look, Cassie. I don't see anything. Do you see anything, Kasani? Are you scared? Go on.
If you notice, Kasani keeps walking to the entrances and he keeps looking around. Even though he's wearing his headphones, he can still hear the sounds of the birds and the chickens and the crows. And it's really affecting him. So he keeps pulling on daddy or he pulls on mommy and he just wants to go. But I didn't realize it until we got to the very end of the reptile house. I really noticed that I heard the sounds a bit louder for me. And so I figured out then that the sounds were really bothering him. He just wanted to go.
Cassie,
What's that, Cassie?
It's a crocodile. Alligator? Crocodile.
Crocodile.
No, Cassie, call it alligator. Cassie, what's that?
What's that, baby? Look at you. What's that?
Him call it alligator, I know we.
See?
What's that?
He's so big.
What's that, Cassie? What's that? What's that, Cassie?
He keeps saying, what's that? What's that? So he learned this new word. So he keeps asking, what's that? Because we're always asking him. So he's saying, what's that? What's that? Come, let's go on the other side and look at them. See, Daddy touched the rabbit. Can you try? No. No, actually he loves them, but he has sensory issues, so he won't touch.
You don't want to see them?
But he likes to see them.
He didn't touch her.
No, you know I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch the bunny.
I feel no way.
No, you won't touch it.
I feel no way, kidding. I feel bony. I'm bony.
Me, I'm the same thing with him now. Me not touch cat and them something like Cassie. Look at you peeping. You need to touch it. Look at the snake. Look at her with the snake, Cassie.
I'm not touching that.
You know, see it, man. Sit down beside him. Him no, he's not looking at it. He hasn't seen it.
Cassie, really?
Cassie. Watch it. What is that? Him not see it all now, you know?
No.
Cassie. Tell her no way. That's a snake. What's that, Cassie?
The petting's one nobody don't want to touch now.
Not touch a rabbit.
No, Sanjay touching her, Missy, no? Just one finger, please. Be brave. Do it for the team. Come now, man. Come, man. Come. Take it in your hand.
No, that not gone. that will never.
Look how Cassie, look at it. You're having a snack, Kasani.
We decided to leave because he was getting a bit tired, but he headed over to the play area. And he attempted to go on the seesaw, but he had difficulty staying on. And he also went on the slide. We didn't get any footage because we had to be careful that we caught him going down because he seemed hesitant and scared. And then he sat in this little chariot for a while and just mellowed out. It was a wonderful day. I would definitely take him back to the zoo. There's another one in St. Elizabeth. Maybe we'll do that one as well. I really like doing things that Kasani likes, and he really enjoyed